We now discuss the solution of a problem from the section Statistics and Probability. This present question is based on the concepts of probability. This question has appeared in the Joint Entrance Examination Main held on 27th June 2022 in the Shift 1. The given question is 5 numbers x1, x2, x3, x4, x5 are randomly selected from the numbers 1, 2, 3 up to 18 and are arranged in increasing order, that is x1 less than x2 less than x3 less than x4 less than x5. The probability that x2 is equal to 7 and x4 is equal to 11 is, we are given 4 options. Option A, 1 by 136. Option B, 1 by 72. Option C, 1 by 68. Option D, 1 by 34. We are given 18 numbers. They are 1, 2, 3 up to 18. From this, 5 numbers x1, x2, x3, x4, x5 are randomly selected and are arranged in increasing order. Now, we have to find the probability that x2 is equal to 7 and x4 is equal to 11. We have to find. That's our given question. Let's now discuss the solution of the problem in detail. We are given 5 numbers. We are given that we have to choose 5 numbers randomly from the set consisting of 1, 2, 3 up to 18, and they are to be arranged in increasing order, that is x1 less than x2 less than x3 less than x4 less than x5. Let A be the set consisting of these numbers 1, 2, 3 up to 18, from which these 5 numbers are to be randomly chosen. Agreed. Let S be the set of all ordered 5 tuples consisting of x1, x2, x3, x4, x5, where xi, each xi comes from A, that is 1, 2 up to 18, and are arranged in increasing order, that is x1 less than x2 less than x3 less than x4 less than x5. And note that S is the sample space for our discussion, and n of S, the number of elements present in S, is the number of ways of selecting and arranging. Here arranging means arranging in the increasing order these numbers x1, x2, x3, x4, x5 from the set A. Now we are arranging in the increasing order means no two are same. Therefore, the number of ways of selecting 5 distinct numbers, distinct. Why distinct? Because when they are arranged in the increasing order, strictly increasing order, no two numbers are equal. Therefore, the number of ways of selecting 5 distinct numbers from 1, 2, 3 up to 18. How many ways that you can select? Out of 18, you have to choose 5 distinct elements. So that is 18C5. It is 18C5. This is the number of elements present in the sample space. Right. We have A is the set consisting of 1 to 18, and n of S is, we have seen, 18C5. Now what is the event? Let E be the event of selection and arrangement of these numbers x1, x2, x3, x4, x5 from A with x2 fixed 7 and x4 fixed 11. That is the event E. So let us write the event E. E is equal to the set of all 5 tuples where x2 is 7 and x4 is 11, where x1, x3, x5 belongs to the set A other than 7 and 11, because we have already taken 7 and 11. and it is to be arranged as x1 less than 7 less than x3 less than 11 less than x5. So what is the n of E? That's what the question is. So for that we have brought you a tabular form. x1 less than 7 less than x3 less than 11 less than x5. So what are those x1s belonging to the set A which are less than 7? Which are less than 7 is 1. 1 is less than 7, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Up to 6, it is less than 7. After that, less than doesn't follow. So therefore, x1 can take the choices of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And let T be the set consisting of all these 6 elements. This is T. Right. 7 less than x3. Less than x3. But x3 must be less than 11. That means x3 is to be chosen between 7 and 11, other than 7 and 11, between 7 and 11. Who can be between 7 and 11? It will be 8, 7 less than 8 less than 11, 7 less than 9 less than 11, 7 less than 10 less than 10. So the choices for x3 is 8, 9, 10. And let us call this as the set U. U is the set consisting of these 3 elements 8, 9, 10. Now, we get to x4. x4 is 11. x4 less than x5. 11 less than what numbers from A? It is 11 less than 12. 11 less than 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So these are the numbers. So these are the numbers. Let's call these 7 numbers in the set V consisting of these 7 numbers. So what is T? T consisting of the set consisting of 1, 2, 3 up to 6. U is the set consisting of 8, 9, 10, 3 elements. And V is the set consisting of these 7 numbers 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Let's get into E. So now that is equal to E is equal to the set of all those 5 tuples where in the place of x2 7, in the place of x4 11, where this x1 belongs to T. T is the set consisting of 1 to 6 which we have already seen. And x3 belongs to 8 U, the set consisting of 8, 9, 10. And x5 belongs to V, where V is the set consisting of the 7 numbers 12, 13, 14 up to 18. So that is the E. Now here is a semicolon we have written, that means and. It is and. x1 belongs to T, and x3 belongs to U, and x5 belongs to V. Now apply the product rule to count the number of elements in E. So n of E is equal to, by product rule, we have to x1, one element you have to take from T. T consists of 6 elements. So in how many ways you can take? 6 C1 and 1 element from U. So 1 element from 3 elements, 3 C1 into 1 element from the 7 elements, that is 7 C1. So by product rule, n of E is equal to 6 C1 multiplied by 3 C1 multiplied by 7 C1. That is equal to 6 into 3 into 7. Agreed. N of E is this one. Now we know n of S. Now we are ready to compute the probability of E. Probability of E is equal to n of E by n of S. N of E is 6 into 3 into 7 by n of S is 18 C5. That is equal to 6 into 3 into 7 by 18 C5 is 18 into 17 into 16 into 15 into 14. These are 5 numbers consecutive by 5 factorial. That by 5 factorial has come to here 5 factorial. So this is equal to 6 3s are 18. This 18 goes off. 7 2s are 14. So you will remain in the denominator is 17 into 16 into 15 into 2 multiplied by 5 factorial is 120. And for this 120, 15 8s are 120. If you cancel 15 8s are, you will remain 2 here. So after cancellation, you will get 1 by 17 into 2 into 2, that is equal to 1 by 68. Thus, the probability of E is equal to 1 by 68. Let's look at our options. Our answer 1 by 68 appears against option C. Therefore, the answer for this question is option C. So that is the detailed discussion of the solution of the problem from the section Statistics and Probability, and I am sure that you have understood the solution of this problem, and I wish you all the best. Thank you.